Hey, what's up? It's Team Much for here. At this time, we're gonna unbox Bt13 box. Alright, let's get started. Yeah, very exciting. Hope you get Amaterasu the special. See you Amaterasu the special pack.
The promo card.
Special card. Promo card. Yes, whatever that is. See the promo. Oh, nice.
Let's go.
I like it. Yeah, we got this, the 8K banana for Saturday. Link Joker. These two is normal. Let's unbox. Let's unpack. Okay, you're not showing the card. Okay, let's start the unpack. Come on. This. Aquaforce. Angel Feather, Dimensional Police, Nova, and Nova. Cheaper up here, 5. Yeah. So, somewhere around Aquaforce, Angel Feather, Nova. Oh, 5. Oh, this one I need. Yeah, let's put here. Are you selling it or something? Hello, Shadi. Are you selling it? I got a Navatama starter. Yeah. Until now, no points. So yeah.
I don't know, Sam.
Dimension Police. Link Joker. Starter Vanguard. It's mine.
Hey, where got like that one?
Yeah, like that.
Later we say.
I think Link Joker first.
No point. Yeah, damn it. Never mind.
If you got point, no SP yet. Just telling
what
you. Nova.
Aquaforce.
No? What? Which one?
Aquaforce.
Yeah, Aquaforce.
Link Joker. Don't know what.
Nova and Grand Blue.
Okay, I don't know more.
Yeah, whatever. So I'm not gonna say the claim because it's kind of troublesome. So sad to say.
Yeah, no points.
And don't ask for points or no SP.
Yes.
No, Grand Blue.
You不想过来，我自己。
That's a Chinese vehicle. Is it the foil? I do not know triple R.
Wait, this way. Okay, this one.
Is it the foil?
Yes.
Oh my god, it's anti-buster reverse.
It's too nice.
You, bro. You want this card?
Yeah.
Damn it. I should go up on the bench. Where's the foil? Let's put it on top of the. Yeah, so it won't get dirty. Wait, where's the other triple R? Never mind.
The bar.
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's down there, never mind. It's okay, later when we sell it out. Nova, the Nova, and Nabatama. Nops. Okay, quite pro plan. Easy to use and cheap.
Okay, can.
Wait, shut up. JK. Okay, let's continue. Oh my god. Sanjan Dogi. Negate for Dimension Police? Yes.
Yay! No lah.
You make Dimension Police, man?
No, I was talking about the box.
Come on, just break. All the no triple R until now.
No, two triple only.
Huh? 2 double R lah.
No, should be three.
Nama Kanjeng Bogyu.
Should be three triple R.
Yeah, I know right.
Two kanjeng.
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 Come on guys, we can do it.
SP.
Link Joker. No points?
Wait, I show first.
As per normal. Oh, I'll go first. Hey, don't say forget this, please. Not welcome.
Sorry.
Ooh, oh yeah, this guy.
The trump card.
No. If my crown card, I quit Vanguard. I'll be like.
You say on remember we got that?
No, if that is my trump card, I quit Vanguard. Let me tell you that straight.
Okay.
No points.
Money.
Yeah, quite points. Let's go guys. Is that a foil? Only one Chipara. Do you know?
Wait lah.
Wow!
What? Nothing. Never mind. There's some more.
Guys, we got a TDD! Oh my god, it's so awesome. Wow, Jordi, you get it
Yeah, good.
You're making a first, right? Are you making a first?
Yeah.
Go for you.
I'm making Nova ke Aqua Force.
Good for you, man. Good lah.
Wow, in duck.
Yeah.
What the
You'll be like WTF and then we'll be like, ha, in your face, nigga.
Go back, boys.
Come on, Colony Maker. Catastrophic Dragon. Wow, come on. Quite better one. Rare pattern always look like Super R. What's with the sounds here? Hey guys. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, 可以用 spray 出来的，很难撞到你哦，我跟你讲。是不是？
Okay. This one. Wait lah.
Eh ya, don't need lah, just show lah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then Cockaters reverse.
Yeah.
Cockaters will reverse as soon as the latest episode.
Yeah, I hate the confections.
Yeah, don't be so basket ah.
I got see two guys. It's a few call it.
Testicles. Come on lah, Catastrophic, seriously. Nothing. Nani manai desu. This promo is mine to take. Really what? That's what I said to you yesterday.
Last cut.
Last cut will be born. No fault. Until now how many Chipara already ah? 2 only right?
I don't know. 忘记报价怎么算了。
发我们真知道。对啊。
哇，Liu reverse。 Last pack. Wait, last 2 pack.
This one your one should be a Chipara. If not, it will be so weird. Catastrophic. Walao eh. I can reach liao sia.
Right.
Yeah, I think I'll see it already. Yeah. Always got this injured feather guy always like standing on my waist.
I don't collect the angel feather. There, see angel feather. The who ah?
Yeah, reverse. Ramil.
I hate the reverse.
Get me lah, you get TTD. Oh, nice.
Last pack.
Later you get Amaterasu.
No lah, no, only for promo card only what.
Wow, until now 1张 for me. Are you doing this card?
Yes.
Well, if you're not now, I want to.
See, last in case no more.
Bro.
Never mind.
Okay, thanks guys. This is the end of the video and we are
Please
back.
Please like.
Yeah, every card. So please like, comment if you want any of our other box unboxing, and yeah, stay tuned for more action.